the visions of the mind. I have a dream that one day my 4 little children will be able to sit down at the table of brotherhood, and they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream today. I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed, that all men and all women are created equal. The visions of my mind, 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 the visions of my mind. Thank you, Aaron Hill. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yes, y'all. Yes, yes. Y'all give it up one more time. Keith Snipes, y'all.